Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO A54s smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe down for the notification and control panel to appear. Tap and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut in order to access the Wi-Fi settings. Choose the network that you want to share the password of. In my case, I'll share the HardReset.Info 5G network. Go to the network details. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi QR code option, and all that it's left to do is to take the device that you wanted to share the Wi-Fi network with. In my case, it's going to be this Nokia Android device. Go to the camera, Google Lens, or basically if you have any other phone or device, just make sure to open the QR code scanning application. In my case, I'll just use the Google Lens for such purpose. Here, I'll frame the QR code. Tap on it, and as you will see, this join network button appears, so I'll press on this button, and as you will see right now, our Nokia phone has been successfully connected to HardReset.Info 5G network. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!